practically show you how you can do your leg placements, how you can change your leg on Crowd1. I'll show you practically step by step how you can do that. And the reason is because there are a lot of people that have registered and they have a lot of potential bonus. They don't know that they are supposed to change their leg so that they can also earn. By the time the legs will start matching and they will start getting more money. You see, some people have thousands of potential bonus, but they don't know how to make use of it. So this is what it means. It means that you have only people on only one leg and you don't have in the other leg. So you need to know which leg your upline register you from. And even if your upline did not tell you, you can know by seeing that. If you enter your account, you just see that it's one leg that is going and the other leg there is nobody. So I want to show you how to do that. Hello and thank you so much for watching. My name is Ijaparigang. I'm an author, a public speaker, a writer, and an online business coach. I help people to convert their knowledge into profitable business on the internet. I also help authors and intending authors to write and self-publish their book on Amazon. So if you are ready to take your business to the next level, don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell sign so that you get latest notification on our videos, be it on online business, self-publishing. I also make a lot of videos from how to make hand sanitizer, Dettol, and much more. So this channel is all about entrepreneurship and making money. So if you have been following me closely, you will see that I've been talking about Crowd1 because I've earned money with Crowd1. And as you know, always if I see something that works, I always share with my followers and my viewers, my subscribers on YouTube. So this is all about Crowd1. Possible is nothing. I just love this ring. This is now my ringing tune. So let's go to the practical aspect. I want to show you. We are going to do it one after the other. So let me log into my Crowd1. All right. So this is my Crowd1 account. All right, this is my Crowd1 account. So all I need to do is to go to click on account here for me to do my leg placement. So when I click on account, I will now click on settings. So I'll click on settings. It will now come here. So I will now click on member placement here. When I tap member placement, here is it. So I can now choose. So right now my place on the right side, you understand, and then place on the left side. So if already you are on the right hand side of your upliner and your upliner is active, people will start falling in that side. So all you need to do is to work on the other leg. So you check. If you see that people are just from nowhere, you are seeing people under you, all you need to do is to, at least if you register one person here, you change your leg placement to the other. So that's what leg placement so is all about. So if I want to place under an associate, yes, you know, that is why you can earn money from your upliner. You can earn money from your downliner. What it means is this: if your upliner really wants you to earn more, she can actually click on place under associate, so that you will now choose which associate that you want the person to fall under. You see, that's why with Crowd1 people make money. And if you have not registered, please, you can go ahead and do so. You can ask in the comment section of this video so that I can give you the link to register either under me or under anybody that talk to you about the business. You can go ahead and do that. It's one love. We are all here to make money, right? So it doesn't really matter. So by the time you click, maybe if I say click to the if I click to my left side, or click to my right place on my right side, the next thing I will do, I will just click on save, and voila, it is saved. So that is how it is. So I want to also show you, okay, I don't want this video to be too long, so in my next video I will do more video on Crowd1. So if you don't want to miss out, kindly just click on the subscribe button and hit the bell sign so that you get latest notification on my video. Until I come your way again in my next video about Crowd1 and the back office, I want to be showing a lot how you can download, how you can upgrade, more other features about the business that you don't know. You will now understand why people are so crazy about it and much more. So I'm going to be doing more video on Crowd1. So you need to subscribe and click the bell sign. Bye.